everyone, my name's Tyler. Today I wanted to sit down and talk about periods. More specifically, I want to talk about my two favorite period products that I just recently discovered, and these products have changed my entire views of periods. I used to be like, oh crap, my period's coming, but now I'm like, yes, I can't wait for my period, and everyone around me knows it. And everyone around me is like, can you stop talking about your period? But I'm like, when has this ever been something I've been excited to share? And I don't know, I'm just way too excited, and this has made me feel much more excited, prepared, and overall like satisfied with my period. So that's my little like intro rant. Let's just get into the products. The first product you guys have probably already heard of. I've seen a lot of videos of them lately. They're really gaining popularity, which I'm really excited about, and it is this guy right here. This is my Lena menstrual cup. Menstrual cups seem like they have been on the rage recently. They are a sustainable option, and they are more affordable in the long run than buying like tampons each month or pads each month. I forgot the name for pads. That's embarrassing. But okay, let me open this. It comes with this really nice, I guess, carrying case and a little baggie to kind of protect it. But this is what it looks like. It is a tiny, cute little, like, small silicone menstrual cup. And I did not think I would like this product. I bought it just because I was like, okay, this is a very thrifty option. I'll save money in the long run. Let me just try it out. I believe this was $30. I got it on Amazon. But I liked this thing way more than I could have ever imagined. It is really flimsy, so you can easily fold it up when you insert it. It like folds like that, and then you just insert it in and it pops back open and it collects all the blood from your period. And I like this thing because you cannot feel it when you're wearing it. It's like, I feel like whenever I wear tampons, they start to feel really heavy once you have them in for a while, and you just are like, oh, I need to take this out. I do not get that problem with this thing. It's convenient because I'm that type of person who always forgets to have my tampons ready when I'm about to start my period. I always am off on like the days I think I'm going to start. So I'm like, okay, I still have like 2 more days. And then it comes and I have no tampons and I like bleed through my pants, and it's just a whole ordeal. And I don't have to worry about that because when I have this is the only product I need, and I keep this in my purse at all times. So whether I'm out and about, I am prepared, or if I'm at home I'm prepared, or if I'm traveling I'm prepared, because I keep this thing with me all the time. Another reason why I really like this thing is because it's good for the environment. I don't have to throw away however many tampons I was throwing away each year. I literally only need this menstrual cup, which is nice because I am not throwing away products to landfill every month, like for a week out of the month. It's helped reduce my waste, and that was one of my goals for 2018. I almost said 2017. The only thing, my one complaint, is I don't really know how to take it out. I mean, I take it out, but when I take it out, it kind of hurts a little bit. I've heard people tell stories about it hurting like when you put it in, and I haven't had that problem, and I haven't had any leakage, which I am really excited about, because even when I would wear tampons, it seemed like I was having leakage, which I don't know. So I don't have any leaks with this, which I'm really excited about, but taking it out, it kind of hurts. But besides that, I feel like the good outweighs the bad. The next item that has changed the period game for me is in this box right here. So my friend actually gifted me this for Christmas, which I'm so excited about because I didn't even know these were a thing. So these are called Tommies by Very Curie, and they are period panties, which I wish I knew about these years ago. So the box is super cute. When you flip it over, it says "You Flow Girl," which I think is so cute. And you open it, and the packaging is just so nice. It comes with 3 panties on the inside, and then it comes with heating pads, which I was like, what? That is awesome. And the packaging is just adorable. And this is a Black-owned business, so I love supporting small businesses, and especially Black-owned businesses, because I feel like there's not that many in the marketplace. So this thing is just near and dear to my heart. Okay, let me show you what these look like. I have 3 colors here. I have black, pink, and light blue, but these things are so freaking comfortable. They are, so this is an extra small, but I feel like it looks larger than that. And when I saw these, I was like, these are going to be too big. These are not going to fit, but these fit so snug, which I was like, I've never had panties that fit this snug. And they're high-waisted as well, which I was like, these fit so comfortably. Like, there's nothing worse than wearing uncomfortable panties on your period, right? Like, and especially if they're not tight-fitting, because if you're leaking, like, I feel like it's just gonna leak through and it's gonna get on your jeans. But these provide maximum coverage, like, nothing is spilling out or leaking out of these things. So I was like, these are great. They're comfortable, they are maximum coverage, but the one thing that I was like sold on immediately is the fact that they have a pocket in the front. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. There is a legit pocket there, and the purpose for that pocket is for you to put a heating pad on the inside. And I was like, what? So if you have problems with cramps, which I usually experience cramps like a few days before my period, so these are great to wear like a couple days before, even though I don't really need coverage then. It's just nice to be able to wear a heating pad and not experience cramps. So I'm not gonna open the package, but so you would like obviously open it and you would stick it in the front right there, and it just keeps you nice and heated. And these are supposed to last for 8 hours, which I wore mine for maybe like 4 hours. I didn't wear it for the full 8 just because I didn't think I needed it that long. All you have to do is open up this package, and it's one of those air activated heaters. So as soon as you open it, the warmth is released and you stuff it inside your pocket, and so you don't have to worry about like being uncomfortable with your cramps. Okay, so those are my 2 must-have period products. These have literally changed my entire experience of my period. I'm so happy I discovered these. I hope that you guys are happy that you've discovered them now as well. Let me know if you've ever tried period panties before, or if you've ever used a menstrual cup. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. But literally, why don't we talk about periods more often? I've been telling everyone I meet, whether they care or not, like, oh yeah, I have a menstrual cup, I have period panties, and I've been trying to start this conversation about periods, which a lot of people don't want to have, but I'm like, if you use these products, you might be more on board with talking about your period. So I don't know, these are things that I'm just really excited about, and I wanted to share them with you because, I don't know, I just felt like you guys might like them as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!